In this video, you'll learn how to add your Outlook calendar to Notion in just a few minutes, so you can manage your schedule and your workspace together in one organized place. First, open your browser and sign in to your Notion workspace at Notion. So make sure you're using a workspace where you have permission to embed external content, since this is essential for adding your Outlook calendar. Next, open your Outlook account at outlook.live.com or in the desktop app. Go to your calendar, click Share, and choose the option to publish your calendar. This generates a public link that Notion can embed directly. Now, copy the ICS or HTML link Outlook provides. Make sure to choose the right level of detail for your calendar, like full details or just availability, depending on what you want to share inside Notion. After that, head back to Notion. Open the page where you want to embed your calendar. Type embed to access the embed block, then paste the Outlook calendar link and click embed link to confirm. Once embedded, your Outlook calendar will appear inside Notion, automatically syncing with any updates you make in Outlook. You can resize the embed, move it around, or place it on different Notion pages. And that's it. Your Outlook calendar is now embedded in Notion, perfectly synced for your daily workflow.